corporal's stuck. Ah, you can't turn around. What's happening? Lots of our apprentices face this after going out. You want to support it, but you can't turn it. Exactly. Yes. Come, I'll teach you a method now. Turn this way, little bit, this way. Okay, come, lower teeth. Okay, fall backwards. Pour it again. Then support and then lower teeth to play edges. Okay, go over there and let this chain plate come over a bit. Right. Okay, put it down now. You go further, use support again, turn this way and support again. Support again, support a bit higher. Okay, come this way again. Ah, yes, walk forward a bit, go a bit further, just step on that one. Okay, come, stop, put it down. Place it again. Okay, now go this way a bit more. Good, stop, support again. Come on, come again. Okay, go down as you go. What was taught? Come, go down, put it, let it go. Okay, now turn it. Good, then support. Support, right? Support again. Okay, let's go over here a bit. Good, now you can turn, support again, support whilst turning. Okay, don't tuck away the spade head, turn this way again, you can turn around, turn again. Okay, put down the spade, just turn it. Come, turn around, right. Come, support it, support this chain plate. Stretch out your forearms, stretch your forearms. Stretch again. Good, come, support. Come, walk unilaterally. Go this way. Go this way. Go a little slower. Walk again, walk again. I almost fell down again. Okay, no need to support. Good. It'll come out like this in the future.